Subtitle Edit 3.6.8 is officially out and it has some new features, and I'm right here inside the website nixe.dk. I'll leave the link below, and just a lot of new features like use front center audio, which can improve the waveform or speech recognition for 5.1 and 6.1 audio. There's improved MP4 subtitle extraction, and it also works in batch convert. Especially when you have videos in MP4 and they have embedded, that is soft subtitles, and you just want to batch remove or extract the subtitles, you can use this particular option. Now it works, or it's working better in MP4. There's also optical character recognition via Google Cloud Vision API, and this I believe are for, I think, SUB subtitles or something. And then we have OCR for selected lines only. That is really awesome. If probably you want a repeat of the OCR for particular lines, that comes in handy. So a new toggle list view, source view, toolbar icon can be turned on or off. So normally we use the F2 key to turn on or off the list view. So it seems there's a new icon, and there's improved Linux support, plugins and audio to text should work, hopefully. And then, as we've been talking about this, the experimental support for whisper speech recognition, and this has been awesome, and I actually got it to work. So you can always go and see the changelog here on this particular website, etc, what has been improved and all those things, and other things that you can now install Subtitle Edit via Winget. Install nixe.subtitle edit, and then I believe there was new proxy settings. That's good, and some new subtitle formats. Now, since I already have it downloaded and installed, and this is just a trial I was doing with whisper speech recognition, it's somewhere right here. So you may need to download all this and all that, but it's pretty simple. Now, for some reason you may get the error of no text found, and I think maybe the way to fix it is probably checking if Python is installed correctly. You just open command prompt and then type python space -- version. If you hit enter, you should see the version that you're using. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I remember what I did is I looked at Python and noticed that it was not showing. When I did this particular command, python space -- version, I would not get this. I used to get some errors for that. So probably that is what you may need to reinstall for it to work the way it should. But this is the toggle list view. So that's the source, that's the list. So that's new, that's good. We used to press F2, yeah. So it's not bad, it's good. So I feel that this particular update is going to work very, very well for us, especially with audio to text via Whisper. Hopefully it can get a little bit faster because it's extremely slow, but the transcripts that you get with Whisper are really, really good. Not as compared to the VUSK or Caldi speech recognition, although now this is a little bit fast in this particular process. Now, this video was just to let you know that there are a bunch of new features in Subtitle Edit 3.6.8, and it's officially out. You can check for updates if you have older versions, and you'll see you're using the latest version of Subtitle Edit. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.